Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to rename or change a name on an existing file or a photo on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To do this operation, we need to go to our file folder, which is by default here. Here we have our recent files, but if you want to search for anything that's not recent, we have to go to browse. We have here some filters, or we can search by internal storage, downloaded pictures, or a photo that we took with a camera. For example, our SD card here. To rename a file, just hold it. Here we have more options and just simply tap rename. We can rename it whatever we want. File 1, for example. OK, the file is now renamed. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.